Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you are new, thank you for watching. I'm Joanne. I do videos on luxury unboxing, fashion, beauty, and fun lifestyles such as your travel vlog and food vlog. So if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing and hit that subscribe button. And also to my subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate you all. And don't forget to like this video. So guys, before I do the unboxing, here it is. I'm so excited. Watch this. So here we are at the Pacific Fair in Broad Beach, Gold Coast. So yeah, just checking out the shops. So let's go. Might go check Louis Vuitton. Let's carry on. What I've got, so I've got a new Louis Vuitton bag.
Surprise unboxing coming up.
Surprise unboxing coming up.
Yeah.
So yes, one happy girl. Well, that was great getting to visit the Louis Vuitton in Pacific Fair on the Gold Coast, and now we're here back in Melbourne, and here it is, and I'm so excited. So it's going to be a double unboxing, and yes, so I'm really happy because the bag that I got it has been on my wish list for a long time, and I finally got it. And so yes, so now let's do the unboxing. Okay, so let me just show you this. This is just my receipt. That's just the sales associate card. She gave me her detail or her phone number, so I've got a contact there in Louis Vuitton in Gold Coast, and that's just my receipt. So it says Pacific Fair in Gold Coast, and the lovely SA also gave me a free perfume sample, and this is I think one of the new one. So this one, it's called Etul Filante. I think that's how you say it, or maybe no, I don't know how you say that. So that's it. So I can't wait to try this as well. Okay, are you guys ready? So first, let's look at the packaging. Oh my god, look at the packaging, guys. It's so beautiful. I really love the red ribbon. Look how beautiful that is. I think this is part of their Chinese New Year packaging. How pretty. I just love packaging. And this is the bag. Oh, so excited. But yes, look at the packaging. Look at this. How beautiful is this? I love the red and gold. It's just so pretty. So pretty. Okay, and also let me just show you inside. She also gave me a paper tissue, so which is, you know, the red with the gold Louis Vuitton flowers. So beautiful. So I'm gonna keep that too because I'm a hoarder. I like to keep all this. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Let's unbox this first. So this is actually unexpected. So when the sales associate showed me all the bags and all the SLG, she showed me this, and I was like, oh my god, it's so pretty, I have to have it. So let's open and check it out. So now I'm not gonna undo the ribbon because it's too pretty, so I'm just gonna do this. Okay, let me just do this. All right, guys. So this is the Game On card holder. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. I just love the white and the red. What do you think? And so this front bit is made out of epi leather, and then the back is your monogram canvas, and that's just my information. So yeah, so it's got the 2 slots here, so you can put 2 cards, but yeah, you can probably fit 2 cards there and 2 cards there. But it is so beautiful. What do you think? So yeah, that's that. So I'm so happy that I got this. Okay, so now let's do the big reveal. I'm gonna just put this away. Okay, so like I said, I've been wanting to have this bag for a long time. It's been on my wish list, but the one that was on my wish list a long time ago, it's the canvas, and this is leather. So yeah, I'm so happy because I finally ticked one of the bag that's on my wish list for this year. So let's reveal. Oh, packaging is so pretty. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm not gonna undo this because it's too pretty to undo, so I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Oh, I'll have to kind of take this off. All right. Okay. All right. Here it is, guys. Ooh. I should also wrap it in a tissue paper. Okay, so are you guys ready? All right, let's reveal. So I got the Pochette Felicie in Scarlet Red in empreinte leather. What do you think? Oh my god, it is so beautiful. I love this red. I love the red shade. So I was actually really drawn to this when, because she showed me the black and also the blue with the red, I think red around the edges, but I keep going back to this one. So yes, so look, I'm so happy. It's so beautiful. And I also believe that everyone should have a red bag in their collection. So yes, and this is actually my first time owning empreinte leather. So beautiful, and this is such a versatile bag too, and I think it's such a classic bag as well. So now let's have a look at inside. Okay, so inside you've just got the red fabric lining, and then the two insert. Beautiful. So here you can put your cash, your coins, your notes, your receipt. And this one, you can put all your cards and also more notes inside. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, guys. I love the leather. It's so soft and it's so, I don't know, it just feels really good. I'm so happy. She's so beautiful. And so it also comes in a gold chain, and you can wear this in multiple ways. So you can wear it as a crossbody bag, shoulder bag, as a clutch. I've seen it on Fabulous Irene. So hi Irene, if you're watching, now we have the same bag, twinning. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you some mod shots, but just take a look at it first. And that's the chain. And you can also use this chain for your other bags too. The back again. And that's just your, just here the gold button. So I'm really happy, guys. I finally got this. Woohoo! So okay, so now I'm going to show you some mod shots. Before I do the mod shots, I just want to show you what's inside again. I forgot to tell you that it comes, see in here, it's got the massive pocket. And oh, that's just my material card. And this bag is made in Italy. So when I was talking to the SA, she said to me that a lot of the pochette Felicie are made in Italy. So yes, but she is beautiful. Okay, so now mod shots coming up. So this is the shoulder bag version. Now this is the crossbody look and the clutch look. I hope you enjoyed the video and the mod shots, and please let me know in the comment below which style you like best. Until next time, bye for now.